EL-SD2003 is a smart photoelectric smoke sensor. It connects to your Wi-Fi network with no need of a hub. When smoke is detected, this device will produce a loud alarming sound and send a notification to your smartphone, no matter how far from home you are. It works with two AAA batteries and has a low battery and tamper reminder. Can be used in homes, factories, warehouses, offices, and any place needing alarm monitoring. Download TuyaSmart app from Google Play or Apple App Store. Follow the instructions on the app to complete the account registration. Tap the plus icon. Select Add Device. Sensors. Smoke detector, Wi-Fi. Select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Press the reset button for 5 seconds with PIN until the indicators start blink fast. Tap Confirm. Select Blink quickly. The pairing is successful. Long press the test button on the device. It will start beeping and you will get a notification that the device is triggered. That means the network configuration is successful. In the main menu, there is a couple of functions like Record, where you can see the past records of the smoke sensor states. An Automation Record, where you can see a trigger log of other smart devices you've made a scene with. Smart is where you can make a scene with other smart devices. If the sensor is activated, the device that is in a scene with the smoke sensor will be triggered. For example, if a smoke is detected, the doorbell siren will alarming too. Within the set menu, you can see the battery level. You can turn on or off the smoke alarm, the low battery level notifications, and the tamper reminder, so you will know if someone removes the sensor from the base. You can buy plans for SMS and phone notifications if you need to. When offline notification is enabled, you will receive a notification if the device has been offline for more than 30 minutes. With Share Device, you can share the device link with other Tuya app users.